Have you ever noticed how some creators explode overnight while others grind for years, yet never break through? That's the question I asked myself the day I discovered a strange pattern, one that didn't start with the algorithm at all, but with something far more human. Hold that thought, because in a moment I'll show you why the algorithm isn't the puppeteer you think it is, and why your audience is quietly holding the real strings. But first, what if the secret to growth isn't posting more, but listening more? Most creators speak at their viewers. The winners speak with them. Keep that open for now, we'll address it shortly. Meanwhile, why do some videos with average production outperform gorgeous, polished masterpieces? It's not luck. It's not timing. It's a hidden alignment between what people feel and what the content delivers. I'll reveal that mechanism in just a minute. Because here's the truth. When you understand your audience deeper than they understand themselves, the algorithm becomes predictable. When you speak their language, the algorithm boosts you automatically. And when you build around their desires, not trends, you create videos that pull viewers in, hold them, and keep them coming back. Stay with me now. We'll close that first question at the end, and you'll see exactly why mastering the audience is how you truly master the machine. We would love to know your thoughts on what we have to say. Please comment to inform us whether you thought that what we have to say is helpful to you. In today's digital landscape, mastering the algorithm begins with understanding your audience. Knowing what viewers truly want is crucial for creating content that resonates and drives engagement. While algorithms reward metrics like views and clicks, genuine audience engagement fosters loyalty and community. This distinction is vital. Focusing solely on algorithmic rewards can lead to superficial success, while authentic connections yield lasting impact. In this section, we'll explore actionable insights that can enhance your content creation process, ensuring that your videos not only satisfy algorithmic demands but also genuinely connect with your viewers. This paves the way for sustainable growth and success. Understanding your audience. Audience analysis is essential for content creators aiming to produce relevant and engaging material. One effective method for gathering audience insights is through surveys, which can provide you with direct feedback on viewer preferences and interests. Additionally, analyzing comments can reveal what resonates with your audience and what they want to see more of. Understanding demographics, such as age, location, and interests, helps tailor content to meet viewer expectations. Moreover, fostering a community around your content encourages interaction and loyalty, allowing creators to build deeper connections with their audience. By prioritizing audience analysis, creators can enhance their content and drive meaningful engagement. Decoding the algorithm. Algorithms function as complex systems that determine content visibility based on various components. These include viewer engagement, watch time, and relevance. These factors collectively influence how videos are ranked and recommended. A common misconception is that simply chasing algorithmic rewards, like high view counts, guarantees success. However, this often leads to short-lived results. Instead, aligning content with audience interests is crucial for sustainable growth. By focusing on what viewers genuinely want to see, creators can enhance their chances of being favored by the algorithm, ultimately increasing their reach and fostering a loyal audience that engages with their content consistently. Creating audience-centric content. To create content that truly resonates with your audience, embrace storytelling and authenticity in your videos. Sharing personal experiences and genuine narratives fosters a deeper connection with viewers. Additionally, incorporating audience feedback into your content planning is invaluable. It allows you to tailor your videos to their preferences and interests. Regularly engaging with comments and conducting polls can provide insights into what your audience wants. Furthermore, maintaining consistency in content themes and messaging helps establish your brand identity. That makes it easier for viewers to relate and return for more. By focusing on these elements, you can create compelling content that captivates and retains your audience. Engagement strategies. Enhancing viewer engagement is essential for building a loyal audience. One effective strategy is to incorporate clear calls to action in your videos, prompting viewers to like, subscribe, or share their thoughts. Encouraging interaction through comments and social media not only boosts engagement but also fosters a sense of community among your viewers. Additionally, responding to viewer feedback is crucial. It shows that you value their opinions and are committed to improving your content. By actively engaging with your audience and creating opportunities for interaction, you can cultivate a vibrant community that feels connected to your channel and invested in your content. Measuring success beyond views. Understanding audience satisfaction goes beyond just counting views. It involves analyzing key performance indicators like watch time and engagement rate. These metrics provide insights into how well your content resonates with viewers and keeps them interested. However, it's essential to prioritize qualitative feedback over purely quantitative metrics. Comments and direct messages can reveal deeper insights into what your audience truly thinks and feels about your content. Encouraging creators to adapt based on audience reactions fosters a responsive approach to content creation. By focusing on these meaningful metrics, you can better gauge satisfaction and continuously improve your videos to meet viewer expectations. Mastering your audience is crucial for achieving success with algorithms and enhancing content visibility. By understanding viewer preferences, creating audience-centric content, and measuring success through meaningful metrics, you can foster genuine engagement and build a loyal community. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit. Your support helps us reach more viewers and create even more valuable content. Don't forget to explore more videos on our channel for deeper insights into audience engagement and content creation strategies. Together, we can navigate the evolving landscape of digital content successfully. We would love to know your thoughts on what we have to say. Please comment to inform us whether you thought that what we have to say is helpful to you. Earlier, I asked you a question. Why do some creators break through while others grind endlessly with nothing to show for it? Here's the answer. The algorithm never made them successful. Their audience did. Once you truly understand what viewers crave, fear, avoid, desire, and binge, the algorithm simply amplifies it. That first hook I opened? This is the close. The overnight success creators aren't winning because the machine favors them. They're winning because the machine recognizes that their audience does. Remember point 2? Listening beats posting. Surveys, comments, polls, community conversations, these aren't chores. They are the keys to retention, relevance, and repeat viewing. When people feel heard, they stay longer, watch more, and signal the algorithm that your content matters. And topic 3? That so-called lucky video outperforming the cinematic masterpiece? It wasn't luck, it was alignment. A perfect match between a raw human need and a creator willing to deliver it plainly, honestly, and consistently. So your next breakthrough isn't hiding in thumbnails, tags, or timing. It's in your audience's language, your audience's emotions, and your audience's conversations. Master them, and mastering the algorithm becomes the easy part. Let's build from there.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.